People ask me how I got in the mortgage business. Well, it goes back some 25 plus years ago now. But originally I was in insurance. I always liked financial services, so I always thought I'd find myself in the financial services industry. But I landed in insurance and I really didn't enjoy selling insurance. It was life insurance, and it was many times people that really didn't want the product and they really didn't want to pay the premium. So I was a young salesman. I was learning how to set appointments, how to sell, and to be honest, I was broke. I mean, I didn't have any money. And as an example, I've always kept a pair of shoes as a reminder. These are a pair of my shoes I kept for a long time. You think, well, why has he got a pair of shoes? Well, because it's a reminder, because there's a hole in the bottom, if you see in the shoe. And so what I did was, in the winter, it would be snowy and it would be very cold when your foot got soggy. So I would take cardboard and I would insert that into the shoe, and it would be good. I'd have to keep extra pieces of cardboard cut out to cover up that hole because I couldn't afford to resole my shoes. So that's just a reminder to me. It was a very difficult time in my life. I overcame an adversity of probably poverty at that point. I was at that poverty level, but by getting into the financial services industry, ultimately into the mortgage business, I was able to make an income that not only sustain my family, but actually flourish. And so that was always a healthy reminder to me of what it takes to work hard, to overcome adversity, and to be successful in this industry that's been so good to me. I've made millions in the mortgage business, and I'm so very, very thankful to the industry, to the partners that we work with, to the people that refer business, and I couldn't have done it without them and without our amazing staff. But it reminds me of a difficult time in my life and how I was able to overcome that, and really the opportunity that's available to you, in this industry. It's amazing. It's been great to me. Like I said, I've worked very, very hard. They always say the harder you work, the luckier you get. Well, I've worked awfully hard, and I have been very fortunate. I have been very lucky, very blessed. So just wanted to share that story with you, how I got in the mortgage business.